and the role of GLP-1. So, continuous po, part 2 po ito from yesterday na ating topic. So, let's welcome Coach Alvin. The
Hello,
floor is yours. Ayan. Wow, ang pogi naman ni Coach Alvin. Bagong gupit.
audio ko needs.
Yes, okay, Coach.
Okay.
Gusto mo mag-share
So,
ka ng
yeah, ako
slide?
na.
Okay, sige.
So, good morning everyone. I hope ano tayo, no? Maganda yung ating mood today, no? It's Wednesday and I hope you're doing fine. Share ko lang ang aking slides for a moment. Okay. So, I hope nung nakaraang araw, we talk about the part 1 ng ano natin, ano, itong topic natin, and we have already established yung brain and gut uh, connection. Okay? And aside from that, we also talk about the kinds of hormones that the body produces in order to really make us healthy. Okay? We talk about the ghrelin, leptin, the PYY, and of course, we're going to talk about one more time and medyo deeper pa itong tinatawag nating GLP-1 because nowadays talagang sikat na sikat itong GLP-1 for weight loss sa mga celebrities and everything. So we will know all about this one, no? But before anything else, let me just show you my result, quick result. So 13 years na po akong gumagamit ng product and as you can see, weight loss po ang aking result. And aside from weight loss, syempre marami po tayong discomfort when we are overweight, di ba? My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Lagi kong sinasabi yan kasi these are very typical sa mga overweight na individuals or obese. So, we just replace our breakfast. By the way, kaming dalawa ng misis ko, ano? And of course, the whole family is using the products. So si Noemi then lose about 40 pounds sa kanyang weight loss journey and me 25 pounds and 7 inches sa waistline ko. Okay, it's an amazing journey and it's amazing result. So marami tayong product na ginagamit every day, yung ating healthy breakfast which was discussed a while ago, ano, yung aloe tea shake. At one of my favorite is yung Cell Complex, Nightworks. I love also yung Herbalife line. These are heart products that support our healthy aging kasi medyo malapit na tayong maging senior, di ba? And vitamins and minerals, those are the daily dose ng ating mga products in order for us to get the wellness, ano? And dati po akong salesman sa Binondo. Yung area po na yan, napakaraming pagkain po dyan. And most of the time, me and my group as a salesman, most of the time sa mga fast food na tayo kumakain, kaya I balance into 192 pounds. And syempre, pagka ganyan ka, no, yung discomfort natin talagang matindi. So, I'm lucky enough that I met my sponsor, Robert Jimenez, introduced me na dito sa Herbalife. And eventually, when we have an amazing result, we engaged fully po sa ating company and we decided to really get aboard fully, no, and became a wellness coach. So 13 years na po ako nagko-coach ng mga customer and clients natin. And of course, our future is very bright because we are in this company and my kids are doing well with their studies sa school because they take nutrition every day. And that's why we all love our Herbalife. Okay. So punta na po tayo sa ating topic, okay? So we talk about microbiome and the previous series. It was delivered by my wife Noemi. So alam natin that the microbiome, the gut microbiome has something to do, in fact, very critical po sa health natin. And this microbiome ito yung it consists of trillions of microorganism, bad and good, di ba? And it plays a vital role in our health. So, in order for this microbiome to thrive, para maging healthy tayo, we have to take care of this one. So, a balanced microbiome is essential for digestion, immune function, and even po yung ating mental health. So, factors like what we eat, diet, and lifestyle, of course, is very significant to influence yung composition po ng ating microbiome. Okay? Para itong parang ecosystem. It is a hidden ecosystem na composed of trillions and trillions of microbes, no? Para silang syudad ng mga mikrobyo that needs to be fed because they have this role to in our health. Malaki po ang role nila, no? Some of these roles are yung piniferment po nila yung mga kinakain natin, especially those vegetables and fruits, and produces a fatty acid, no? Yung small chain fatty acids na nakakatulong po to lessen the inflammatory effect of mga free radicals sa katawan natin, no? They also synthesize yung mga yung mga crucial na vitamins and minerals sa katawan natin, like those vitamin A, B, especially the B complex vitamins na sila po ang gumagawa niyan. The vitamin B12, yung vitamin K is very important. And yung mga neurotransmitter like dopamine and serotonin, napaka-importante po sa ating mental health yan. And these microbes also protect, no? They also protect us against the pathogens, yung mga viruses na yan na nag-invade sa atin. They're the one who are producing these antibodies, no? And parang ginagawa nilang parang sila yung nagfi-feed din sa mga sundalo sa ating katawan, no? That's why it's also very important po kapag na-disarray or na-imbalance po itong ating microbiota, malaki po ang nagiging epekto nito. Nagiging risk po tayo sa obesity-related problems. IBS, yung mga autoimmune disease. So, we have to really take care of our microbiome. Now, how do we take care of this one? Sabi nga ni Hippocrates, food as medicine. Bakit niya nasabi yun? Because nutrition always starts sa gut natin. And diseases always starts in the gut. So we have to feed this organism, itong mga magagaling na microbes na to, the healthy microbe, so that we can live a healthy life. So ano-ano itong mga pagkain na to? We know about probiotics foods like kimchi, yung mga sauerkraut na yan. They contain live bacteria that's very helpful sa mga ano natin. And we know about prebiotics, no? These are the fruits and vegetables that feeds these bacteria para sila lumakas. And of course, we really have to avoid yung mga artificial sweetener na yan kasi sila talaga yung sumisira ng mga friendly bacteria natin diyan, no? And ano pa ang magagawa natin? Ngayon, usong-uso yung Mediterranean diet. Why? Because maganda yung dieta na to. They have meat, little meat, and all those olive oil. They have these fruits and vegetables. It's very good sa ating microbiome. So, think of these prebiotics, itong mga kinakain natin as fertilizer po para sa mga bakterya na ito. And it was recommended siguro mga 5 grams, no? Five grams a day. Pwede na 'yan. To form that small chain fatty acid that protect us from inflammatory diseases. Okay? And syempre, it will protect us also sa mga viruses. Now, eto din, no? Let's be mindful sa mga katulad ng tinatawag nating emulsifiers, yung mga pagkain na processed food. Napakahirap po nito. Ang ginagawa po nila, nai-erode po yung lining ng ating lining ng ating bituka. And kapag nasira po 'yan, it compromise po yung ating microbiota. There was a study taken last 2024. Ito, magandang malaman po ito that polyphenols na nakukuha natin sa mga fruits and vegetables, especially sa berries and sa mga tsaa, increases this kind of bacteria we called Akkermansia. Itong Akkermansia po, this is the bacteria that protects the wall lining ng ating intestine. And they are the one talking, no? Kung paano ba mag-secrete ng certain hormones or certain chemicals for our wellness. Kaya napakagaling nitong Akkermansia na bacteria na to. And it has been found out na dumadami ito kapag mayroong polyphenols ang ating kinakain. And luckily, we have our herbal tea, no? Na number one yan sa antioxidants, polyphenol, and we have also our triple berry. Kasi itong dalawang to, yung green tea tsaka yung berries are loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols na makakatulong dito sa mga bacteria na to that called itong yung Akkermansia na bacteria. So it's very important to note that one kasi mga bagong discovery ito no? So let's go to the probiotics. Alam mo, certain foods like mga kimchi na yan, mga fermented foods has these probiotics. But you see, medyo mahirap din makuha nito every day. So we have these probiotics na supplements na very effective. And this is also one of my favorite because not all probiotic po are created the same. Marami pong mga probiotic dyan na sa gastric pa lang, sa acid ng stomach natin, namamatay na sila. But this one is, Ganaden BC strain. Uh, it has protective layer, protein layer na hindi po siya namamatay kahit pukpukin nyo, kahit initin nyo, kahit sa malamig, or even sa gastric acid natin. So ibig sabihin pag 1 billion na colony nito ng good bacteria, talagang pumapasok po 'yan sa ating microbiome and repopulate those good bacteria. So it's so amazing. This product is so amazing. You have to try this one kung hindi pa kayo nakakasubok, ano? And next one, of course, we have also our syempre, kung merong probiotic, meron din tayong prebiotic na product. We have our fiber brand and we have our fiber and herb. At we have this new product na amazing yung taste nito. Favorite ko na favorite pag lalo na pagka nasa yellow talaga. Ang sarap po, ano? So these are the product that feeds all those ah good bacteria sa ating microbiome. And let's go to this very important topic, itong GLP-1. Alam mo, sa lahat ng hormones na napuproduce natin sa gut natin, and yung Akkermansia na sinasabi ko kaninang bacteria, ito yung isa sa napuproduce niya. So, gaano ba kaimportante itong hormones na to? Ito yung kung ang mga microbes na yan is an orchestra, Somebody's playing the bass, somebody's playing the piano, somebody's playing the violin, kanya-kanyang role yan. Etong GLP-1 is the conductor. Siya yung nagsasabi kung magpuproduce ka ba ng more glucose sa pancreas. Ah, siya ang nagsasabi kung tama na yung ano mo, take mo ng food. These are siya yung ano nito conductor. So marami po siyang parte na nagagawa in order to make us healthy. Nandiyan yung sa cardiovascular, nandiyan sa brain, nandiyan yung sa liver, sa even the muscle synthesis, no? Sa kidney, sa pancreas, even sa bone po, no? Dictates itong hormone na to. So it's very important to really develop this hormone kasi itong hormone na to, mababa na siya sa mga obese person. That's why usong-uso po ngayon yung synthesized na product na that mimics GLP-1. Kung kilala nyo po yung Ozempic na ginagamit ng mga artista, yan po yung synthesized na product na ang kanyang ano is it mimics the effect of GLP-1 in our body. But of course, these are not natural. Kaya nga synthesized siya eh. So there are pros and cons sa mga drugs na ito, ano? But the function, they sa study po ang function nito is 10 times potent doon sa natural GLP-1 ng ating katawan. That's why maraming gumagamit nito at talagang mabilis yung kanilang weight loss. But then again, this is a caution because everything outside the food is foreign to the body. So kahit na maganda yung effect niyan, may mga side effects din po yan, no? Yung Ozempic. So ayan. So, pros and cons, weight loss, improved blood sugar, kaya ginagamit din to ng mga diabetic, yung mga may sakit sa puso, and even yung para hindi ka nakain ng kain. But again, what are the consequences? Siyempre, pagka kumain ka nito, ang sinasabi dito, one of the studies, parang nasusuka ka, vomiting, nahihilo, nagkakaroon ng constipation. Of course, mahal din tong drugs na to. And not only that, again, it's foreign to the body, so you have to be careful in using such drugs, no? Okay. Now, we have already established yung relation natin na sa food. And alam na rin natin na this GLP hormones very important sa ating body, no? And ano pa ba ang kailangan nating malaman, no? That certain GLP po na may mga pagkain po talaga na particular that boost GLP hormones. So what are these products, no? Number one po dito yung mga protein na produkto ng mga pagkain. Of course, we know yung mga resources natin, the protein can always be a complete protein pag nandyan po yung 9 essential amino acid, yung hindi kayang gawin ng katawan natin that we have to take it sa food natin. But there is one plant that really gives us the essential 9 amino acids. Nag-iisa lang po ito, itong soya plant. And lahat ng ating essential amino acids na complete nasa mga dairies and animals na. But we have this soya that stand alone na nagbibigay sa atin. And we're very lucky kasi nga it's made up of soya. Hindi lang basta soya, it's soya isolate yung ginagamit po natin na product. That's why it's very effective po, no? Ito yung isang dahilan. Number one, bakit effective ang ating product? Number one, it's a protein based product. Not only a good source of protein, heart healthy protein pa, isolated and whey soya protein. And then, aside from that, syempre, merong, kaya nga tinatawag na complete meal yan, may 24 vitamins and minerals. So, how amazing is that F1 shake? You have to take it every day. Ako, twice kong iniinom yan, no? So, ah, ano bang sinasabi sa atin? When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. Kahit pa you have a doctor that is really good, tapos yung mga medicine mo napakamahal, wala pong epekto yan pagka hindi mo alam yung tamang pagkain. But if you try to eat to feed your body with all the nutrition that your body needs on a daily basis, the body heals itself and hindi mo na kailangan ang medicine. This is the reality of our world today, and I hope you have learned a lot from this quiet, very small session natin dito, and continue to pray also like our Coach Cecil said. And back to you, Needs. Thank you very much and have a good day.
Ayan. Thank you, Coach Alvin. Napakaganda ng topic natin, no? So, palakasin pala talaga natin yung ating GLP-1 na hormone compare sa drugs na very popular ngayon. So, hindi tayo maliligaw na kasi we have the best products in the world. So, we have Herbalife products. Narinig nyo naman si Coach Alvin. Thank you, Coach Alvin. Ang dami namin natutunan today. And pwede po kayong mag-chat sa ating chat box ng thank you, Coach Alvin. Dami nating natutunan. And Coach Cecil, Madam Cecil, you can,
Yeah, thank you
add.
so much. Ito, i-ask ko sila